Oh man, I got an axe.
Oh, that wasn't acting?
No, there was
Blanco, be careful with the red thing. Ah, I said be careful with the red thing. Se asustó.
Como que vienes corriendo.
Sí, como que no puede caminar. Digo, oops, no puede caminar. I just ruined the video. Hi, I just straightened my hair and it's all ruined. You see these clouds? I am the forecaster. The crappy reporter who has no idea what that is. But apparently it looks like a big, fat, ugly frown. And a rabbit eating poop. How about that?
probability of raining today is.
The probability is I can barely see myself as the hairs in my face. Percentage, if that counts.
Today, it's a probability that's gonna rain, but there's a probability that it might be sunny and you might go to the
Probability
beach.
you might die.
You know, it's the only job that we actually get paid for lying.
I love that smell of, see, tierra húmeda.
Right, baby? They have the best job in the world. Get paid for lying.
Yeah. Oh, you can go work out today. We want to see you die.
I bet, do the weather report.
Como que chocas contra la así de estampada en la camioneta.
I'm supposed to be running back.